Ooh. Ooh. Hey, bro, you brought me back. No more hats. No more hats till the girl back out. You feel me? I know you heard that.
Bitch, I'm blessed, I too. I'ma do what I choose. Look at me now, look at you. I like on my face is blue. I could never play the fool.
Hello, my beautiful people. It's good to see you. Welcome back. My name is Derek. If you're new here, when you come to this channel, you know, one of the things you're gonna get is inspiration, motivation, anything that is gonna help you achieve or get towards what you want to in life. Hopefully when you leave a video from my channel, that's the way you'll feel when you leave. I'm glad you're back. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe right now. I really appreciate it. Drop a like, drop a comment, and share the video if you can, you know what I'm saying? Let's try to get this video to 100 likes. I wanna say if we can get to 100 by the end of the weekend, that'd be great, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into the video, let's get into the topic. I was gonna incorporate my car in today's video, but I got home late from work because I drove my girlfriend's car to work today. I left my car, I left work a little bit late. She had to go coach volleyball. So she got to drive my car, so I know she's pretty happy about that right now. She said she had to leave early, if you know what I mean. Today's topic is, how can you achieve your goals in 2020? This is something that everyone kind of does at the beginning of the year, blase, 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 but what I would like to tap into is how people go about doing that, you know what I'm saying? Don't just do what everyone else does. I'd say just keep it, most of the time, keep it to yourself or put it somewhere that only you have access to, or something that's gonna remind you every day. You know what I'm saying? If it's gonna remind you every day, I feel like it's in your face. You know what I'm saying? You can't avoid it at that point. I feel like that's the best thing that needs to be done. So for right now, like a goal for me in 2020 is obviously to accomplish this YouTube channel, you know, bring you guys value, bring you guys content, and obviously make you guys better people. You know what I'm saying? If I can touch you in some way, that is all I want, you feel me? That is all I want. This camera is everywhere I can see it. I don't ever put it in a cabinet, I don't put it away, it is everywhere. So that way when I walk by it, I know, man, I need to make a video, you know what I'm saying? What ideas do I have, or what can I share with someone, or what can I, you know, drop on their plate to surprise them? Being able to relate with your audience is huge, and I think that's the only way, you know, I'm gonna be able to help you guys achieve your goals. And when I help you to achieve your goals, you're gonna help me achieve my goals. You know what I mean? That's just how it works. It's like the law of attraction. But yeah, so how to achieve your goals in 2020. Be consistent, you know what I'm saying? Or put your goals in your face and be consistent with them. If you're looking at them every day, it's gonna be really hard to avoid them. I also think if you were to post your goals on social media, everyone out there sees them. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everybody sees it. Everybody sees it. So there's no way that you can run from it, you feel me? Like there's no way, because if someone sees you not doing what you said you were gonna do, then no one's gonna trust you. Trust is hard to earn and easily lost. And that's just something that y'all should hold on to. But yeah, that's a huge thing. I'd say put it somewhere or give it to someone that you know is gonna hold you accountable. And in this situation, it could be someone that's close to you, someone you see every day, or it could be social media. Pick one of the two, social media or someone that's close to you, or do both. If you do both, then there's no way you can fail, to be 100% honest with you. I would also think just staying focused or thinking about different ways that you can go about accomplishing one of those goals. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's my first week, you know, pumping out these videos, and it's not easy, but I'm enjoying it. Like I think that's the biggest thing, is if you're enjoying like achieving or accomplishing or working towards your goals, you're gonna eventually accomplish them. Like there's no way around it. And that's how I feel, you know what I mean? Like doing this right now, talking to this camera is giving me an outlet, giving me a way to express myself to people out there that I probably haven't met. I'm glad to meet you via camera. Hopefully I can meet you in person someday. You know, as things grow, as things flourish, I wanna give back to my people, give back to my community, give back to society, and ultimately change the lives of my loved ones around me. Those are some of my goals, you know what I mean? I'm kind of dropping my goals in this video, along with giving you guys tips and tricks on how to accomplish yours. Ultimately, you got to be consistent, put your goals in your face, and what else did I say? I got so much going on up here, like I'm being 100% honest with you guys. Be laser focused. If you say you're gonna do something, do it. Me being a man, the only thing a man has is his word, and if you can't follow through on your word, don't nobody want to be around you. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. You can't be trusted. If you can't be trusted, then your words have no weight, and if they don't have any weight, I really don't know why you're talking, to be honest with you. But achieving your goals is something personal and valuable to you. Something that no one can take away from you. You know, if you set out in January of 2020, you know, to get straight A's, you know, this year, spring and fall semester, and you do it come December finals time, the feeling of accomplishing something you set out to do is incredible. Why would you want to like lose that, or why would you not want to pursue something like that? For me, when I set my eyes on something, I go for it. I'm like laser focused, man. I'm like an assassin, you know what I'm saying? Like when I know I gotta accomplish something, I'm like after it. I'm after it. Nothing can really stop me from that path. I think they released my car body back in 2015, like that body style. When I saw it, I said, I want it and I'm gonna get it. I don't care what it takes. Eventually, I'm gonna get that. Time went on. I had a 2008 Dodge Charger. You know, that was my baby little V6. It was sounding cool. Hey, no hate against the V6s because I started there, you feel me? But that's what I had. But I was content with that. But I knew what I wanted. I knew what I was working for. But I kept talking about it every year. I'm getting that car. I'm gonna get that car. I'm gonna get that car. It's not gonna be today, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And what do you know? What, 2 years ago, 2018, February 19th to be exact, pulled off the lot with my dream car. I spoke it into existence a long time ago. Spoke it into existence and I kept following through on it. Just like this YouTube channel. I've been talking about it, but I didn't deliver on it. But I know I've been talking about it. I know I said I'm going to succeed. That's the only thing that's gonna happen now. I'm out here making a video. This is the third one. This is the third one. You know what I'm saying? We out here rocking. You know what I'm saying? I'm changing people's lives, bringing value. It's feeling good. Because I'm feeling good because that's an outlet for me, you know what I mean? That's really all I got. It's a few tips, you know what I'm saying? 3 tips. Be consistent. Put your goals in your face somewhere you can't miss them, you know what I mean? Like put them in your hands, you know what I'm saying? Or not in your hands, I'm tripping. Put it on a piece of paper, slap it on the wall, somewhere you can't take it off. Write it in Sharpie somewhere if you need to. Okay, I don't know about writing it in Sharpie, you know, think about that. But be laser focused, you know what I'm saying? Hone in. Be an assassin. When you set out to do something, just accomplish it. Because when you accomplish it, people are gonna know you mean business when you speak of something. And when your words have weight, when they have value, people know you can be trusted. And that's ultimately what you want in life, you know what I mean? That's really all I got for y'all today. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe right now if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. I love all y'all. Go ahead and drop a like on this video. I got something special for y'all Sunday. And yeah, share the video. You know what I'm saying? Tell your friends and family, like, hey, there's this new dude on the block. His name's DJ or Derek, whatever you want to call me. I'm happy that you came here. I appreciate your time. Hey, and before you go, remember, they're gonna judge you anyway, so why not do what you want?
Bitch, I'm blessed, I too. I'ma do what I choose. Look at me now, look at you. I like on my face is blue. I could never play the fool. All I do is play it cool. I'm a young boy, never played by the rules. She a ride to the tool, so I bought that through our school. Took a look at my jewels, then she sucked me like a jewel. Got the gas, got the